Hi everyone. So our today's topic is secret of happy and healthy life. As our world is now turned into a digital world and this world of technology, our life is moving so fast. We don't have time for ourselves. And our young generation is so much indulged into such activities using electronic gadgets, which is continuously reducing their level of physical activity and also affecting their health. So, for a healthy and happy life, we need to change our diet, habits, and our daily routine activities. So, here are a few tips to follow to change your ordinary life into a happy and healthy one. So the first thing which you can do is you need to change your diet plan. You need to drink a lot of water, focus on the healthy diet. It's not bad to have McDonald's or your favorite burger once a month, but adding more junk food into your diet will keep on adding more cholesterol. Add more vegetables and fruits in your diet plan, so you try to cut as much as junk food, including all types of burgers, pizzas, cheesy food. Diet should be balanced, one covering all kind of required nutrients. Replace your sugar with honey and try to cook food in olive oil. Healthy diet plan will always keep you fit, active and energetic. The second thing which you can do is you need to forget your past. Our good and bad past experiences generally have long lasting impact and it keeps on influencing our future decisions. So always remember that we can never change our past. Always consider your past as a life learning experience, and all kind of lesson learned at a different stage of life is only used to correct our future actions. Never allow your past to haunt you and stop you in any way for taking initiatives. Third thing which you can do is you need to avoid about overthinking about future. It's good to go with a plan and calculation, but overthinking will only ruin your plan and distract you from your goals. So you need to be very focused about things which you want to achieve in your life, but assuming only the bad or the negative side before taking any initiative will leads you nowhere. Sometimes things are very easy to achieve, but we are afraid of taking our first step just because of overthinking. Okay, the next thing which you can do is you need to believe in yourself. You need to try your inner self, which is more important than trusting others, because you better know your strength and your weaknesses. Use your strength to contribute to your work and stop spending time focusing on your weaknesses, and turn your strength into your habits. Strength can be your talent, your knowledge, your skills which you can use to improve your performance. Next thing which you can do is you can travel the world. Traveling is always a fun and it gives you so many life experiences and lessons. There are a lot more to explore which you may not find only in reading books. Traveling will also give you opportunity interacting with people from diversified background and culture. Good traveling experience is always refreshing to your mind, your body and soul, which keeps you active, wise, happy and healthy. The next thing which you can do is be kind and forget easily. Kindness always brings you peace to your mind, and every time keeping your grudges into your heart will always make you sad and depressed. You need to learn forget easily the small mistakes of others, because nobody is perfect. It's good to forget and move on, which is considered to be the positive approach plus highly appreciated. The more you forget easily, the more you will enjoy the future moments. The next thing which you can do is you need to invest in your relationship. Relationships are the most important elements which keeps you motivated and keeps you going in your life. Try to invest more in your relationship. They need your time and your physical presence. Those who are closely associated with us in our life. If they are happy, it will be the biggest source of happiness and mental peace. Appreciate their effort, and good relationship always protect our mental health. And people who are more socially connected are more happier, more healthier, and they live longer. The next thing which you can do is you need to add fun, exercises, and good sleep. In this technological world where people are dealing with variety of the electronic gadgets which are creating stress and depression, as we are going towards artificial and virtual world and getting away from our natural healthy lifestyle, we need to add fun elements in our machine life, because working on computers for hours will going to affect your health and will make you lazy and lethargic. Try to be active with a regular walk, exercise, and definitely 8-hour good sleep. The next thing which you can do is you need to start taking initiative. Avoid laziness, start taking initiative. There are many things in life which we keeps on dreaming and never take initiative to fulfill our dream. So we need to come out from our comfort zone in order to achieve something in life. Make right decision on right time. Consider every opportunity in your life and never stand still. Never be afraid of anything while fulfilling your dream. The last thing which you can do is you need to be very flexible, accept change and challenges of life. Always be prepared for every type of a change in your life, as life will keeps on changing and we have to change our plans accordingly. Rigid people will always resist, and it will be always difficult for them to accept the new changes in their life. So we need to bring flexibility in our nature. We need to be flexible enough to accept the change and ready to accept all challenges of our life. Take every new situation as a challenge and make best out of it. There is a famous saying, when life gives you lemon, make a lemonade. So guys, this is about today's topic. Now we will come up with some new topic in the next video. See you then.